I think when I was in college, I was looking for directions. I thought about going to veterinary school, and I thought about microbiology, and I became very interested in the issues associated with food poisoning. We're working on a group of food poisoning agents called mycotoxins, and basically these are fungal toxins. They're somewhat different than the bacterial toxins, which you might encounter when you eat some spoiled food and you get sick right away. These fungal toxins actually are in the raw materials, cereal grains and so on, and they occur during the field and during storage, and then they can enter the food supply. So there's a big concern about how these fungal toxins might affect particularly populations that don't have the highest quality food, say in African countries or in other developing countries. So there have been outbreaks of the acute, like vomiting type food poisonings that occur from contaminated foods, but there's also the issues of chronic effects from exposure to these. So the one group of toxins I work with, they can cause the acute effect at higher doses, which would be something like a classical food poisoning, but at lower doses they can also cause effects on growth in the immune system. In some cases we set regulations, or perhaps the European Union sets regulations that might be very strict, and yet somehow might divert these contaminated foods to poorer countries. So there's a lot of issues with food security. So we want to assure food safety, we want to assure food security. I really enjoy writing. I enjoy doing presentations. I enjoy meeting with grad students and planning experiments. And that's really the reason I'm here, over the long term, because if I write a few papers this year, those will have some impact for a number of years, but what really will have the impact is my graduate students and the undergraduate students that I work with.